Hello children. In the first class itself, I said when I introduced this lesson that skeletal system and muscular system go in hand. Okay, we have done with the skeletal system. We are going to start up with the muscular system. Okay, muscles in our body, they help us to move. Without muscles, bones cannot move. Okay, and they provide force and flexibility for the hard bones so that they can move easily. Okay, the bones, since the muscles cover the bone, we can find the muscles being stretched and contracted when the movement is seen. Okay, we have three different functions of muscles. First is they help us to move. They show us to move from one place to another place. They help us to move from one place to another place. The movement of our body is because of our muscular system. Running, walking, sitting, all the possible activity are because of the muscles. Okay, and also it gives posture and position to our body. Okay, the stature of the body, it's because of the muscular system. Okay, and they generate energy for various muscular activity. Okay, and muscles are fibrous part of our body. They are the fibrous part of our body and helps in the movement of various parts of our body. Okay, and there are around 600 muscles. How many bones are there? 206 bones. And how many muscles are there around? 600 muscles are there in our body, and they perform activity like eating, playing, writing, running, lifting, sitting, standing, okay, jumping. All these are because of the muscles. Okay, and they are made up of cells and the fibers, and they are attached to the bones through tendons and tissues. Okay, and they work by contracting and relaxing. Okay, all the movable joints have the pair of muscles with it. When one set of muscle contract, the other set of muscle relax, because of which there will be movement in the body or the body parts. Okay, and these muscles are of three types, namely voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle and cardiac muscle. We have three types of muscles. Okay, they are voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles and the cardiac muscle. Voluntary muscles, they are present in our arms, means legs and hand, which is under our control. Okay, walking, lifting the object, playing games, okay, writing, clapping, these and all can be controlled by us. Those muscles which is present in our arms and legs are called as voluntary muscle, and they are also called as the skeletal muscle. Usually like the covering of our outer body, the external organs and everything, it is covered because of the skeletal muscle. Okay, involuntary muscle, these muscles do not obey our will. You remember we studied involuntary action, which is not under our control. Those actions, the part related with those actions are involuntary muscles. That is, all our internal organs are involuntary muscle, which is not under our control. We call it as smooth muscle. Okay, voluntary muscles also called as what? Skeletal muscle, and involuntary muscles is also called as smooth muscle, or we can tell it biologically striated muscle and unstriated muscle. Okay, striated muscle is voluntary muscle and unstriated muscle is involuntary muscle or smooth muscle. Okay, involuntary muscle, it is present in the parts which is not under our control, like heart, stomach, kidney, lungs, digestive system. These are all not under our control. Am I right? They are present there. And the third type of muscle is a peculiar muscle. It is also an involuntary muscle, a special type of muscle which is present only in our heart. This muscle is called as cardiac muscle. Okay, the third type of muscle is the cardiac muscle. It is specially present only in our heart. It is also a type of involuntary muscle, and it is a muscle which never stop working throughout our life. Okay, it is a smooth muscle. Okay, it contracts and relaxes like skeletal muscle. It is a soft muscle and it never stop working till our last breath. Okay, this is what about our muscular system, and our tongue has a special type of muscle which we tell it as the strongest muscle in our body. It is present in our tongue. Okay, the strongest the strongest muscle in our body, where it is present in our tongue. So the interrelationship between the skeleton and the muscle is called as musculoskeletal system. The interaction between the muscular system and skeletal system is what? Musculoskeletal system. Okay children, thank you.